Hello everyone, Tiffany here, showing you my apartment in the works. So we have here is the white cabinets that are now complete with the drawer fronts on them. These handles are pretty nice. Yep. Addition to, this needs to focus, this nice new Badger disposal. Yes. Just got this installed, still a mess, need to clean up, but works really good, so still in progress of needing to paint the walls, so pretty much go this gray color. Here's the color, so that way you can see somewhat of what it looks like. Alrighty. Be uploading more videos when I get some more paint going on the walls. Thanks.